I'm your Fort Myers Beach community correspondent, Anvar Ruziev, here in Times Square. And take a look around me. It's been nearly a week since Hurricane Milton impacted the area, and so much of the damage is still visible. Exactly 2 weeks ago, I took my drone out to show you just what Fort Myers Beach looked like after Hurricane Helene, and I didn't even have time to archive that footage before I found myself out here again, seeing what it looked like after Hurricane Milton. While Hurricane Helene cleanup was still ongoing, Hurricane Milton struck. Take a look at these before and after clips. Hurricane Milton brought with it feet of storm surge onto the island, and a nearby neighbor, Carol Newsom, showed us just how high the water got around her home.
Our water line that's left after Milton.
Carol lives just off Sterling Avenue and thinks every one of her neighbors had water in their home. It's a street I've visited multiple times before, notorious for its regular flooding.
I think after every hurricane, sadly, we get better at these, you know?
Carol says her home flooded multiple times this year despite having spent days preparing for it.
Days and days, your back hurts lugging and picking up stuff, sealing your windows, sealing your doors. But then you come home and the muck smells. It's this thick. It's nasty.
Work continues by the town and neighbors to return the sand back to the beach, a process that Newsom says she doesn't know if she wants to keep repeating.
It's like the price you pay for paradise. I don't know if that's the price I want to keep paying for paradise. I hope this is the last one.
And as Fort Myers Beach continues its cleanup, we'll continue to monitor and bring you the latest updates both on air and online at fox4now.com. In Fort Myers Beach, Anvar Ruziev, Fox 4.